I didn't cry, I didn't break down. I just stopped feeling anything. That's how my depression looked. Yeah, today I want to talk about depression, and I'm sorry in advance that I talk about dark things. Please bear with me. Yeah, I'm gonna try to talk about like more bright things next time. I was very depressed. Just until a few months ago, I was very depressed. I didn't cry, I didn't scream, I didn't break down, just didn't feel anything. I didn't even believe that depression exists before I've been there. I thought depression is for the person who mentally weak. I thought I am very strong mental person, but in fact, I wasn't a strong mental person, I guess. Depression doesn't show like very dramatic in like dramas. It's more like you make disencourage for everything. Keeping meals, sleeping late, scrolling phone all day, end up feeling really bad. Today what I want to talk about is how I got out of it. So first of all, when you feel deep down, you have no energy to do anything, to be kind of yourself. So when I was depressed, I was always harsh on me. Why you didn't do this? You didn't do that. Today, you just wasted another day. Why do you do that? And it makes me feel guilty and depressed even more. So that time, actually, I talked to my younger brother and he told me, I feel you. You don't want to do anything for the moment. Give yourself time to rest until you feel better. At that time, I wanted to go to the gym, wake my body up and mental up. But yeah, I couldn't go. I didn't want to go. So I gave myself time to rest for almost a month. And I started to go to gym. I used to go gym like 5 times a week, like 1.5 hours every time. Now, I can't focus 1.5 hours for exercise. So what I did is just go to gym, work out like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I didn't go 5 times a week. I don't go 5 times a week until now. I just go when I feel like. So 3 times or 4 times a week. I think that's pretty good frequency. Now I work out like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It's not that long, but compared to before, I work out 2 times more. And then I started cooking videos. And I'm seeing hope from the contents. It's been almost 2 months I've been uploading. Yeah, I don't have many followers yet, but I see that I have very strong engagement with you. I'm having hope that it's going somewhere one day. It just needs time, I guess. I uploaded the video, I wasted the day. I felt like I'm a failure. And I got so many comments from you guys. I got touched, guys. And I realized that I was pushing me too hard again. I have full-time job. I'm making the video content. It takes very long time, to be honest. Plan the videos, take videos, edit the videos. Yeah, it takes very long time. It's time-consuming job. Until now, I haven't made a penny yet. So I was afraid that what if I give up this again? Yeah, now I compromised myself that, okay, and this one day, just don't think about work, video, anything. Just give me my time, free time. And the rest of 6 days a week, I'm working, making video, editing video. Yeah, let's do that. I felt that again, that when I push myself too hard, I felt depressed again. I don't want to text anyone, I don't want to comment, I don't want to do anything. That's why last couple days I didn't reply all the comments. I'm so sorry. I read all the comments and I feel so warm. What I want to talk about is, if you are depressed, you don't want to do anything, you are energyless, you are neglecting yourself, give yourself enough time to rest. In my opinion, definitely workout helps you, but you don't have to work out all day, like 1 hour, 2 hours. You don't have to. Just 10 minutes, 20 minutes, however you feel like. It's going to be a habit and you will feel that, oh, after workout I feel actually much better. But yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about today. I don't know how to wrap it up now. Yeah, I just thought about it and I just wanted to talk to you guys. I'll see you in next video.